Whooping cough cases are on the rise. A sudden spike in recent weeks have pushed numbers up to a total of 108 as of early this month. This is 5 times more than the same period last year. Doctors attribute the spike to holiday travel during the year end. As Sabrina Ng finds out, another reason is the lack of updated vaccination among adults.
A prolonged and painful cough that doesn't go away even after several weeks. That's the difference between pertussis, or whooping cough, and a cough from the common flu. Other symptoms include a high-pitched sound when breathing in and bouts of vomiting.
Over the last 1 year, there are definitely increasing number of patients who fit in this criteria, especially in December when people come back from overseas and it's become even more apparent.
According to the Health Ministry's weekly infectious diseases bulletin, whooping cough is among several illnesses that are on the rise compared to last year. These conditions include conjunctivitis, diarrhea, and hand, foot, and mouth disease. But doctors say whooping cough can be prevented.
I also see a big group of middle-aged gentlemen who present with such symptoms. My guess is that because they were only vaccinated when they're young, but not like ladies when they're vaccinated when they're pregnant, so it means they have lost their immunity.
Whooping cough vaccination is part of the National Childhood Immunization Schedule. Children get their first jab from 2 to 18 months, then a booster at around 10 to 11 years old. Women are also recommended to get the vaccine after about the 5th month of pregnancy to better protect their newborns. Whooping cough infection is the most severe in children below the age of 1.
They can cough and vomit and become dehydrated, and some of them cough and get so-called bleeding in the eye. And in worst case scenario, especially in very young children, they can actually get brain hemorrhage from severe coughing. But of course, some of them can actually become breathless, and especially if they have a history of asthma.
There is a national subsidy for the whooping cough vaccine, and doctors encourage adults to get their jabs updated. Such vaccinations against the highly contagious illness can also help protect others, like vulnerable young children and seniors.